What's up, Homerites? Um, got another spicy video for you. Today we're reviewing Chris Hansen sound effects. Now these aren't like him like walking or something. These are lines from Chris Hansen from the show To Catch a Predator. Um, and they're pretty interesting. I've only listened to a few. Um, so we're gonna review each one out of 10. Let me get into it because I know I'm probably boring you.
I'm Chris Hansen with Dateline NBC.
That one gets a 5 out of 10. It's not too interesting. There's a lot more interesting ones, as you can see. Um, so I'm just gonna go on to the next one. Um, 6. That one kind of sucked.
I'll just be your secret lover.
Um, oh man, 7 out of 10. Pretty, a little creepy, but it could be creepier.
I like to make love.
Well, that's not even. That's just straight. He's spitting straight facts there. Like everyone likes to make love.
I want to
That's a.
wrestle you
I
so
forgot to rate it. That one gets an 8 out of 10. Pretty creepy.
freaking bad.
Let me listen to that
I
one.
want to wrestle you so freaking bad.
You know, this would be a 7 if he said it normally, but since he put inflection on,
I
hold
want to
on.
wrestle you so freaking bad.
Since he said it like kind of like I want to wrestle you so freaking bad. I'm gonna give that one an 8. That was a pretty good one.
I'd let you in just so I could feel you on top of me.
You know this. That's a quote from. He's obviously quoting a pedophile from his show. I don't want to say that it's funny, but it is. It's funny.
I'd let you in just so I could feel you on top of me.
That is the best pickup line. I'm gonna use that one. That one gets a 9 out of 10. That one's great.
I'll make it feel really good for you, hon.
Oh, I just love how Chris Hansen talks. That one gets a 7 out of 10. I love Chris Hansen.
I could probably teach you a few things.
6.
Like some positions and moves.
I think these are connected, so I'm gonna group them together since they're group. These are grouped together. So
I
let's
could
listen to them
probably
again.
teach you a few things. Like some positions and moves.
These get a 7 out of 10 together.
What girl wants to give oral sex when a man isn't shaved?
8 out of 10. Why would you say that?
I just hope this isn't all too good to be true, hee hee.
Hee hee. All right, that one gets a 9 out of 10. That one's good.
Are you thinking you might want to have sex with me?
No, Chris Hansen, I don't think so. That is a 6 out of 10. No, 7 out of
Would you let me lick you everywhere?
10. Everywhere? That one gets a 8 out of 10. That one's pretty good.
I'm big.
Very simple. 7 out of 10. How many are he's in this? Okay.
Did you bring condoms?
6 out of 10. He's just trying to be safe.
And what do you call somebody who's an adult who comes over to meet a child home alone after a sexually explicit conversation? What is that called?
I love how he's talking down to him. He's like, what do you call you that came to this minor girl's house to have sexual relations? What do you call that? I don't know, Chris Hansen. What do you call
He tells the girl that he has a very large penis.
it? Don't we all, right? I didn't rate this one. This one, the previous one gets a 10 out of 10. I love that one. And this one gets a 9 out of 10. This one's great.
Most girls can't handle it.
6 out of 10.
He pulls a large sexual device out of his pants.
What? Yeah, yeah, that's what I call it. My large sexual device, girl. That one gets a 9 out of 10. So absurd.
To catch a predator.
What? That was dumb. 1 out of 10.
It takes him a second to get on the stool because he's under 5 feet tall.
What? Are you sure this man is a man at all? Or is this a gnome? Did Keemstar come here? Jesus.
I know you're
Oh, wait,
12.
I can rate him. This one. This one gets a broken marriage out of 10. This one gets a 9 out of 10.
But girls these days are way ahead. I know you're 12, but girls these days are way ahead.
Oh, that is creepy. Oh, that is creepy. Uh, hmm. 4 out of 10. No. 4 out of 10. Why would I say that? No, it's an 8 out of 10.
The 22-year-old virgin is in the house.
I want to get, I want to make it so whenever I walk into my house, it plays this clip.
The 22-year-old virgin is in the house.
That's my motto.
Maybe I'll bring ice cream.
It gets, um, 9 out of 10.
I can put it on you and eat it off your body.
What?
Maybe I'll bring ice cream. I can put it on you and eat it off your body.
What is he saying at the end? Put it over your body.
Maybe I'll bring ice cream. I can put it on you and eat it off your body.
When in your of your body. Since I don't know what he's saying, I'm gonna give that a question mark out of 10.
Do you masturbate?
Uh, uh, I don't know how to answer that. How about, you get a 6 out of 10?
You're gonna be my first.
Mm. How about, no, 4 out of 10.
Okay, then you can lick it off me.
8 out of 10, that one's good.
I could get in trouble for making love to a minor.
You think? You think you could?
I could get in trouble for making love to a minor.
You think? Of course you could! Of course you would! 9 out of 10.
You're making me horny.
Dumb. 6 out of 10.
I will go till you tell me to stop.
5 out of 10.
I would love to taste you.
Why did that reverb?
I would love to taste you.
I'm gonna download that when this video is done. That one gets a 10 out of
I would
10
love to taste you.
for the reverb.
So what part of the Bible tells you to say all this kind of stuff here in the chat? I'd love to suck, play and suck, play and lick nipples and lick and. Where is that in the Bible? Explain that to me.
There's a human part
Is that
of
the
me
Old
that
Testament or the New
sins.
Testament?
Neither.
He's trying to say it's part of the Bible? Oh my god! It gets an 11 out of 10. That one's so good.
If he appears a bit puzzled, it's probably because online the perverted Justice Decoy had been using a photo of an Asian girl.
Yeah, 4 out of 10.
I'll be the best sex you will ever have.
Why'd I have to go down on a bad note? 5 out of 10. Well, guys, I think that's it. Yep. Remember to comment on the video. If you so please, if you enjoyed it, leave. I'm not gonna pressure you to leave a like, but you can if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next thing I decide to make. Bye bye.